Have you heard of chia water? Have you ever wondered if drinking chia seeds in water really helps you lose weight or has any health benefits? In this video, we'll explain the benefits of chia water and find out if drinking chia seeds in water can actually help with weight loss. Stay tuned until the end of the video where we will teach you how to make chia water at home. Welcome to Natural Cures channel. We are the oldest and largest YouTube channel about natural remedies and healthy lifestyle. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on our latest videos. You can eat chia seeds in various ways, such as adding them to juices, salads, soups, yogurt, or making chia water. Chia seeds have a rich history in Mexico, where they were widely consumed by ancient civilizations, particularly those seeking to enhance their strength and physical endurance. Seeds are rich in fiber, potassium, protein, vitamins, A, B1, B2, B3, C, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds used in the preparation of chia water are associated with the following benefits. Source of antioxidants that protect against the action of free radicals that cause diseases such as cancer and promote aging. Source of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and protein, important nutrients for bone health. It's a good calcium source for those who don't consume or prefer not to consume dairy. A study conducted with 20 diabetes patients revealed that consuming chia seeds resulted in a slight decrease in blood sugar levels, lower blood pressure, and a 40% reduction in a marker of inflammation linked to heart disease. The gel formed in chia water also increases the volume of stool, which improves bowel function and prevents constipation. A question that many people ask is whether chia water helps you lose weight. Chia water can help with weight loss because when the seeds are soaked in water, they form a gel. It is believed that this gel formed in the drink brings a feeling of satiety to the body. With a full stomach, it is easier to control your appetite and not eat more calories than necessary. Therefore, weight loss is achieved by consuming fewer calories than what is burned by the body. The gel that forms when chia seeds are soaked in water is a result of soluble fibers. There are about 11 grams of them in a 30-gram serving of chia. In the body, the gel helps to empty the stomach, making you feel full. It is recommended to consume the gel as soon as it is formed and not to store it for later consumption. Chia seeds are also a good source of protein, with 14% of their composition corresponding to the nutrient. A diet with a high protein intake reduces obsessive thoughts about food by 60% and the desire to snack at night by 50%. A study in 2014 found that eating chia seeds daily for 12 weeks resulted in slightly more weight loss and a small decrease in waist size compared to those who did not eat chia seeds. However, the experiment was not conducted with chia water, but with chia flour. Now that we understand how chia water benefits our body, let's learn how to make your own at home. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of water. Instructions: add the chia seeds to the cup of water and let soak for 30 minutes to 1 hour. After a while, you will notice the formation of a gel. This gel helps you feel full. The recommended daily intake of chia seeds is 2 tablespoons. But before consuming chia water, it is recommended to take some precautions. This is because chia seeds can increase the effects of medications that act to lower blood pressure. Therefore, anyone who takes this type of medication or suffers from heart disease should consult a doctor before consuming chia. Chia seeds can also influence the action of medications used to control blood sugar levels. Therefore, people with diabetes should also consult a doctor before consuming chia seeds. Do you know someone who has the habit of consuming and claims that chia water helps you lose weight? Are you going to try this chia water recipe? Tell us in the comments below. And if you want to know more about the benefits of chia seeds, watch the video we are suggesting above.